Hey guys, welcome to today's video. It is mystery box time. I have been anxiously awaiting the arrival of this package that I have right here in front of me. I even went as far as purchasing expedited shipping for this because I was just so excited. I missed out on the last Jeffree Star mystery boxes during Black Friday. I got the white screen of death, if you guys know what I'm saying, where I got all the way through the ordering process and then the screen just went white and there was a message that said, your order has been received. Please wait for a confirmation email in an hour or something like that. But I actually made it through all the way the ordering process. I picked up the massive Supreme Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery box. This guy is quite large and very heavy. Now, Jeffree said he was going to make up for all the snafus that he has ever had with any of the past mystery boxes, that this one is going to blow us all away. I did notice on the website that this large box sold out in less than 10 minutes, it seemed. So I felt very lucky and fortunate to be able to get my hands on this guy right here. So obviously we are going to unbox this together. I have no idea what is inside. All I did was break the tape and that is it. Let's just jump into it. I can't wait any longer. I need to see what I got inside of my box. All right, so while I am opening this guy, as you can see on my eyes today, I'm actually rocking the Blue Blood palette. I got this in my Beautylish Jeffree Star mystery box that I just posted a couple weeks ago on my channel. I will link those somewhere up here in the cards or in the description box below if you want to have more mystery box fun. I'm just going to go ahead and open up the top and reach in. Now right away I'm feeling on top. Oh, this is kind of cute. So this is a tote bag and it's got the print from, I think it's on a sweatshirt or maybe both a sweatshirt and a t-shirt just from this Valentine's Day launch. This is actually really cute and a unique idea. It just has like very thin material, but it is kind of cute for a tote bag. I can use this to cart my stuff to and from the gym or stuff to and from work. So I think that that's really cute. And come on, look at the conversation hearts. Can't relate. I'm gagging. Hi, how are ya? Jeffree Star approved. The Jeffree Star Cosmetics logo and iconic. So that's a cute little add-in. I think that might be one of the exclusives to this box. I haven't watched any of the other unboxings yet, so I don't know what other people have got. See, grab the next item, and we have, oh, this is one of the crossbody bags, which is also from the most recent launch. You know what's funny is that I was debating if I was going to get the mystery box or not, and I was like, if I don't get the mystery box, I really want one of those crossbody bags. No joke, I had my eye on them. I thought they're super cute, and I love crossbody bags. So I got mine in the maroon shade, and along the strap here, it says Jeffree Star. So I think that that is, oh, actually just says Jeffree. Jeffree. That's really cute, actually. So you've got a front pocket right here, and then there is the top zipper right here. So it's actually quite a bit of space. This is perfect for like if you're going to concerts or something like that, or traveling. That's very nice. Oh, and I should mention right here, you do have the Jeffree Star logo as well. So that's awesome. I'm stoked about that. Obviously, at the end of the video, I will go ahead and let you guys know the total value of the box. Next item, something wrapped in some blue tissue. And this is one that I actually already own. So this is the Brain Freeze Highlight Palette. This palette is absolutely gorgeous. I picked it up during last summer's launch. So it is from the 2019 summer collection. Obviously, I will be including this in some sort of a giveaway. I'm sure you guys have seen this before, but I will open it up and show you guys the shades on the inside. These are all actually extremely wearable. The first two here, Cold Shoulder and Gold Breaker, are some of my favorite highlights of all time. And I absolutely love the Skin Frost formula. I think it's just fantastic and super glowy. So since I already own that one, I will definitely be saving that for a giveaway. We have a velour lip scrub. This is in root beer. I love root beer. So let's go ahead and check this out and see what this one smells like. I have a few of these and I do like them. They're not my favorite lip scrubs on the planet, but they are pretty good. Oh, and they just smell so good. They do give your lips a nice scrubbing, but I do wish the granules were just a little bit more fine. They're kind of fun to use and they smell good and they taste good. Next, we have a liquid lipstick in the shade Restraints. This, I don't know what collection it is from. Oh, it's like a silver shade. Now, obviously, this isn't something that I would necessarily wear on my lips, but it might make for a really cool eye product. Let's just go ahead and swatch it. If you didn't know, all of the Jeffree Star velour lipsticks are eye safe. It's like a pewter It's really reflective. That actually might be kind of cool on the lips. I don't know. Sometimes randomly I do get in the mood for a very random lip like that. So we'll see. I'll play around with it. Moving on, another lip product. This is in the shade Romeo. This one looks really pretty. It's just like a nice pink shade. Oddly enough, I really enjoy pink lipsticks a lot more than I ever thought I would. When I see them initially, I'm like, oh my God, I would never wear that. I don't know what it is. I actually do like pink. And Jeffree's formula is very opaque. Look at that. It's actually a really pretty bright color. Not something I would reach for all the time, but I think it would be super cute with just like a very basic eye look. And then that on the lips would actually look really fun. I have purposely left my lips bare in this video because I know there are exclusive lipsticks to this launch or in these mystery boxes, so I kind of want to wait and see what's in here. Another liquid lipstick in the shade Dull Parts. I feel like I had this at one point, or that I got this in another box. Oh, no, I haven't. I don't have this one. I love the white packaging, and this is actually a really very pretty color. This one's a little bit more neutral, definitely a lot more wearable. Oh yeah, that's really very pretty right there. Gorgeous color. That one I could definitely see myself using more often than not. Grabbing just a few more lip products here. Aha, here is the exclusive gloss, and it's actually in the shade Soft Core Sparkle. God, sometimes the names just absolutely kill me. Ooh, that is gorgeous. How fun is that? It's like a lavender. I want to wipe off this other lipstick on my hand here. I think I just made more of a mess than not, but whatever. This I do actually really want to try on my lips. That is stunning. I'm totally into it. I love Jeffree's gloss formula. This has the same vibes to me as the Diamond Juice, but just more of like this iridescent, pinky, purpley, very romantic, fun shade. Wow, that is gorgeous. Let me swatch it for you guys as well. So pretty from the packaging to the shade. That is gorgeous. Loving it. All right, moving on. The last lip product is another gloss. This is in the shade Ice Cold. I honestly would be happy if I just got a ton of his glosses because I just love them so much. I thought that this was going to be more of a blue, but this is like an icy white shade. Gorgeous. Let's go ahead and swatch that one as well. Oh yeah. That is really pretty as well. Look at the two of those together. Why not? Let's just layer them up. Love it. And it actually goes pretty nice with the eye look I have going on right now. So far I'd have to say that the glosses and Dull Parts are my favorite. Those are very, very beautiful shades. I absolutely love them. Now it looks like we have a palette, and I believe that this is probably Blue Blood. So this is another one, yes, that will definitely be going into a giveaway because I already got this in a mystery box from Beautylish. I think it's actually really awesome that Jeffree has been putting these palettes in his mystery boxes because they are not cheap. They're not old launches by any means, and these palettes were at one point in such high demand that the second that they would come back in stock, they would sell out again. So I think that this is awesome that this is in the box. I'm a little bit bummed, obviously, because I already own it, but it is what it is when it comes to mystery boxes. You don't know what you're going to get. That's part of the fun. Duh, that's why it's called a mystery. I'm not very upset with it, but I'm a little bit bummed. I've been actually really hoping in all of the mystery boxes that I've ever gotten, either from Beautylish or from Jeffree, to get the Thirsty palette. And I'm just never one that gets that damn palette. I don't know why I just don't purchase it because I think it's going to actually be discontinued. And as per usual, we have a pop socket. A lot of people get annoyed by this, but I don't. I love pop sockets. I don't really care what they say on them or what the design is because I go through them pretty quickly. And I like getting these, so that's kind of fun. And then last but not least, in the box, it looks like I got a mirror. Now, I am thinking that this is one of the Jeffree Star approved mirrors, the brand new ones. It says this one is in the baby pink chrome. If I can actually get it open. I got one of Jeffree's popsicle mirrors, I think in the last mystery box that I got from him, and I really like it. It's super cute. Okay, that's freaking awesome. It is one of the brand new mirrors, and it is in the baby pink chrome. This is super cute, and I love that it's round and not the traditional star or some of the square shapes from before. I like that this is a round mirror, and I think that the design is absolutely adorable. I love the bright pink. And the mirror quality, wow. Okay, now that I have this mirror up, looking at the lip gloss up close that came in this box, the reflex of glitter in this are insane. I don't know, I'm gonna try to zoom in so that you guys can see. It is so glossy and just glittery and absolutely gorgeous. I am loving it. All right, so let's just go ahead and recap here. Let me get all my packaging out of the way. Let's talk about what I'm absolutely obsessed with. Obviously, the two glosses that came in the box. These are gorgeous, beautiful shades. I could see myself reaching for these all the time. You guys, the reflex in these are just insane. Absolutely beautiful, super reflective, glossy and juicy. I am living for the two glosses. I love that formula. If you haven't had a chance to try Jeffree's gloss formula, I have said this before on my channel, you definitely need to check it out because it is fantastic. Then I would say I love the fact that I got this shade right here, Doll Parts, in the Velour Liquid Lipstick. Very beautiful, neutral, pinky, mauve-y shade. Absolutely gorgeous. Something I can see myself reaching for quite often. Stoked about the mirror. This mirror is fantastic, awesome quality. The shape, it's not too heavy. And I just think that this is absolutely adorable. Super excited about that. And also the crossbody bag. I think that it's really awesome that Jeffree put exclusive items in this box, as well as items that were unique to the actual Valentine's Day launch. I think that it's super cool. So those are my favorite. Now, had I not had Blue Blood, I would have been extremely excited to have received that palette in this box. Brain Freeze is such a beautiful wearable highlight palette. So I think that this is awesome as well. This was in the box. The only things that I'm not like the most excited for would have been these two liquid lipsticks right here. Romeo is a fun, bright pink shade. Like I said, it'd be super fun in the summer. Restraints, again, not really my thing. It could be cool for more of a bold look. If you're actually going to reach for it and use it as like eyeliner, if you're a little bit more on the creative side, I think it could be cool, but I have to be real with myself. I'm probably not going to reach for that. I do like the lip scrubs. I don't get upset when I get these in a mystery box because I love lip products. I'm a lip product junkie. If you didn't know, I have a massive lipstick declutter that I just uploaded, I want to say a couple weeks ago on my channel, which makes it very apparent that I have a lipstick problem and a lip product problem. But I love lip scrubs. I can't get enough of them. I have them kind of stored all over my house because I get really dry, crusty lips. So I have them in my bathroom, in my beauty room, in my purse, in my bedroom, downstairs. Like I have them all over the place. I think I even keep one at work. I have to be honest with you guys. I like the pop socket. It's just a kind of fun, random add-in. Not a big deal, just kind of indifferent about it. I like getting them. Whatever. And then I think that this was really fun to this little extra add-in, unique, special thing that I've already got crap on from it sitting on my desk, or I should say my vanity here, but I think that this is really fun too. Overall, I have to say that this is probably one of the best mystery boxes overall that I have ever received. I loved the fact that, again, like I said, that there were exclusives in this box that included brand new items from this current Valentine's Day launch. I think that was super special. I love the glosses, just love the glosses. Can't wait to use the crossbody. I think that Jeffree definitely redeemed himself with this box. I'm gonna go ahead and check out some other unboxings as well because I'm really curious to see what other people got. I tried really hard to hold off until I could get a box of my own. I wanted to genuinely be surprised as well as share the surprise with you guys as well. With that being said, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you got in your box if you picked one up. Did you have any issues with the ordering process? I'm just really kind of curious to hear from you guys and to know what your experience was. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it, share it, and of course, please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel before you go. I love you guys so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye, guys. All right. So if you made it all the way to the end of this video, I have a little bit of a surprise for you guys. So as I mentioned, I already have Brain Freeze and I already have Blue Blood. So I'm going to be going ahead and doing a little bit of a giveaway for those that made it to the end of this video. I'm also going to throw in a couple of other surprise items as well in this. So obviously there will be one winner. You will get some other special items. There will be Brain Freeze. There will be Blue Blood in the giveaway box that I will send directly to you. All you have to do to enter, of course, is a couple of things. Now, please listen to this first before you run into the comments section and all that stuff. Please, of course, please be sure to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up. I want you to comment in the comments down below what your favorite Jeffree Star product is. I'd love to hear back from you guys, and I think that is so fun to read. And then I also want you you to leave for me your Instagram name, handle, in the comment down below. Do not mention anything about the giveaway in your comments because I want this to be a giveaway specifically to those who not only made it to the end of the video, obviously, but that are like my ride or die subscribers. With that being said, like I said, comment down below your favorite Jeffree Star product. If you don't own a Jeffree Star product, let me know of one that you would really like to get your hands on. Leave your Instagram name and then obviously be subscribed to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. This is going to be open to US and Canada residents only. So please, please, please be sure that if you are entering that you have a mailing address either within the US or in Canada, because I would hate to message you and have you be the winner and then find out that I can't send it to you. So please be sure of that. I do want to take a moment as well to thank you guys so much for the support on my channel over the last 2.5 years now. Every time I mention 2.5 years, I get choked up, and I am not about to sit here and cry on camera for you guys, but I do have to say that I see who always comments, who's in my premieres and my live chats, and you guys have no idea how much it means to me that you even sit here and watch my content, that you interact, that you comment, and that you have stuck around for so long. So I do want to thank you for that. I want to thank you to those that are new to my channel that have recently subscribed. Thank you for coming to hang out and to watch my content. I have a feeling that 2020 is going to be a crazy year, slowly on my way to 20,000 subscribers. But if I think back to about a year ago around this time, I wasn't even at 10,000 subscribers yet. So that is just mind-blowing to even think about. Just want to thank you so much. Recently hit 18,000. Thank you so much for that. I feel like I am forever indebted to you because you guys are the reason I make these videos and the reason why I continue to go on YouTube. I do have vulnerable moments. Sometimes I think, gosh, you know, I see some of my peers and their videos are just taking off and I am so happy for them. And sometimes I get a little bit down because sometimes my videos don't perform as well as them. Just to have kind of a raw moment with you guys. But at the end of the day, it's really not totally about the views. It's my passion and why I'm here and that I love, love, love creating content for you guys. I've made so many amazing friends through this outlet here on YouTube. Mary, Vanessa, Allison, Braxton, shout out to you guys. I have just made some amazing friends being here on YouTube. So yeah, I just want to pay it back a little bit. So giveaway for you guys. I love you so, so much. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye.